Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Breville Oracle Espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was leaking steam from the boilers and one of the three water level sensors were leaking, so we have to replace the gaskets underneath there and make sure everything is not leaking. When we had the machine already at pressure at 200, we tried using the hot water one and everything, and there was barely any water come out, so we also had to replace the water pump. And now water comes out to the hot water one as well as through the group head, and of course we have great pressure inside the boiler. We know leaks coming on the opposite side or anything like that. And there you have it, Breville Oracle working once again. So thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.